Good morning students. In this video lesson, we will study more about the process of photosynthesis in higher plant. So first of all, we should know that the process of photosynthesis take place in the cell organelle which is known as chloroplast and usually found in the mesophyll cells of leaf. So basically the site of photosynthesis is chloroplast. There is a clear division of labor within the chloroplast. The membrane system is responsible for the photochemical phase where the synthesis of ATP and NADPH occur, whereas the stroma has enzyme for the reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate and formation of sugar. Here ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate and NADP stands for nicotinamide adenine diphosphate. So here is the diagram of the site of photosynthesis, that is chloroplast. Chloroplast is made up of two membranes, the outer and the inner membrane. That is why it is known as double membrane bound cell organelle. The cytoplasm which is found inside the inner membrane is known as stroma. Inside the stroma, we can easily see that there are certain ribosomes present, starch granules are also present, and lipid droplets are present. Inside the stroma, there are a thin tube-like single layer structure which is known as stroma lamellae. It is basically a connecting link between the various grana. Now what is grana? Grana is a pile or a bunch of thylakoid. You can here see in the diagram there are number of tube-like structure piled one above the other. It is very much similar to the pile of coins. When we put coin one above the other, we can get a pile of coin. That single coin is known as thylakoid, or that single coin can be compared with thylakoid, and bunch of thylakoid is called as grana. So this is the structure of chloroplast, in which you can easily see that the one grana is attached to the another grana with the help of single tube-like structure known as stroma lamellae. Next is the pigments involved in photosynthesis. A chromatographic separation of the leaf pigments show that there are four pigments which are responsible for the process of photosynthesis: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenes and xanthophyll. Out of which chlorophyll A is the chief or main pigment associated with the photosynthesis, while chlorophyll B and carotenoids act as accessory pigment. These accessory pigments help the main pigment in two ways. They absorb the light at different wavelength and pass it on to the reaction center, which is made up of chlorophyll A. And second is they also protect the chlorophyll from photooxidation. The absorption spectrum and action spectrum coincide closely, showing that the photosynthesis is maximum at the blue and red region of the spectrum. That means in the blue and the red region of the spectrum, higher rate of photosynthesis occur. Now what is light reaction? As the name indicates, that it is the process which take place in the presence of light only. Light reaction or the photochemical phase include light absorption, splitting of water, evolution of oxygen, and formation of high energy compound like ATP and NADPH. It involves several complexes, and the pigments of the complex are organized into two discrete photochemical light harvesting complexes, LHC, known as photosystem 1, PS1, and photosystem 2, PS2. The light harvesting complexes are made up of hundred of pigments molecule bound to protein within the photosystem 1 and the photosystem too. So here is the diagram of single light harvesting complex, which include the reaction center and the number of pigment molecules. Each photosystem has one specific chlorophyll A molecule and many other pigment bound protein. The chlorophyll A forms the reaction center where the actual reaction takes place, while the other pigment molecule form the light harvesting system, also called antennae. In PS1, the reaction center is P700, which is a chlorophyll A molecule that absorbs light at 700 nanometer. In PS2, the reaction center is P680, a chlorophyll molecule that absorbs light at 600 nanometer. Here, 600 nanometer and 700 nanometers are the wavelength of the light. Next is the mechanism of photosynthesis that usually occur in two steps. One is the light reaction or the photochemical phase, and another is the dark reaction, which is known as biosynthetic phase. Photochemical phase directly depend on light. The pigment absorb the light energy and convert it into ATP. Electron transport, that means ATP synthesis, and photolysis are the two major events that take place at the time of light reaction. During this phase, water is split and oxygen is liberated. That means the photolysis of water occurs during the light reaction. ATP and NADPH formed in this phase are used up during the biosynthetic phase. So biosynthetic phase is the phase which does not directly depend on light but depends on the product of light reaction, that is ATP and NADPH. Here carbon dioxide is reduced to form carbohydrate. Splitting of water or photolysis of water. It is the process in which water is split into photon, electron and oxygen. The water splitting complex is associated with photosystem 2, which is located on the inner side of the thylakoid membrane. The electrons are used to replace the electron lost by photosystem 2. The oxygen is liberated into the atmosphere while the protons accumulate in the lumen of thylakoid.